Stadium here at Crown, and what promises, as you can see, to be a terrific night as the Essendon faithful gather for their season launch. And then, of course, it's the season where expectations are again through the roof.
Yep, footy is finally back this week. Good stuff, Tony. Thank you. Scherri-Lee Biggs is back now with the weather. How's the rest of the week looking?
Well, tomorrow's looking a little cool and drizzly first, Tom, but it is finding up as we near the long weekend, which is looking superb. I'll have the full forecast next. Hello again. Well, the strange Melbourne weather continued today. Grey skies and muggy conditions. We had a very warm start, even though we only reached a top of 22.5. It actually felt more like 25 at the time with the added humidity. Now, most suburbs in Melbourne reached maximums in the low to mid-20s, and there were still a few isolated showers moving across Melbourne, leaving a few mil here and there, 6 millimetres measured in Avalon. Now, as that rain cleared to the northeast, the southwest of the state felt a cooler southerly change move in early, so Warrnambool went on to peak at just 19 degrees. In the last 3 days, Sea Lake collected 180 millimetres of rain, 150 mil fell in Mildura, causing flash flooding, and 138 millimetres in Birchip, 85 of that falling in the last 24 hours, which was their wettest March day in 119 years. Now, if we take a quick look ahead around the country, Brisbane will enjoy a partly cloudy day tomorrow, a top of 29 degrees. Still some lingering rain for Sydney, heading for 27. Now tonight, a ridge of high pressure is moving into Victoria with dry air behind this system, which will bring some much needed change in those muggy conditions. The trough will still extend into eastern parts of the state though, so showers will continue there, but we are unlikely to see heavy or severe falls, only up to around 6 millimetres in Wodonga and a top of 28 degrees. Now we can expect a much fresher morning across Melbourne's suburbs tomorrow, down to 12 degrees in Ferny Creek with a cooler top of 18 to follow. And for those in Geelong, it could be a bit drizzly to start. We'll see a bit more sunshine by the late afternoon, heading for a top of 21. Melbourne's starting to feel a bit more like autumn again, maybe a sprinkling in the morning, but a cooler than average maximum of 20 degrees with that fresh southerly breeze. Overcast on Wednesday, still relatively warm to start, possibly a light early shower, a top of 21 on the way. It is clearing up and warming up as we move into the week. Cloud clearing and 26 on Thursday, dipping back to 22 Friday for the long weekend, staying nice and dry, partly cloudy, a lovely 23 on Saturday, 26 on Sunday, and a pleasant 25 for the public holidays. So with that southerly breeze tomorrow, we've gone from feeling a good deal warmer to feeling a few degrees cooler than the forecast max of 20 degrees, but happy to see that humidity go.
We sure are, Sherry. Bad for the hair. Thank you. That is 9 News this Monday. Ali is up next with a current affair.
We hope you have a great evening, and for now, good night.